everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, it's Saturday and it's my day off. So for today's video guys, I'm gonna do a laundry and also I'm gonna throw some rice at the backyard or maybe in the front, okay, because I wanna feed the birds guys, okay. And also I'm doing shredding papers today, and also I will put some of the items to my balikbayan box, okay. All right, so let's start laundry guys. Let me show you my washing machines and my dryer, okay. So this is what we use guys when we wash our clothes, okay. So first guys, I'm gonna wash my husband's clothes first, and then I will wash my clothes after his clothes is done, okay. And then I will show you guys the items we use for our clothes, okay. We use this all laundry, and also we disinfect our clothes for this Lysol laundry sanitizers, and also we use the OxiClean, and sometimes we use this Lysol concentrate disinfectant, okay. To make the clothes smells good, we use Downy guys, okay. So now I'm gonna add clothes in my washing machines guys. Okay, let me put you down first so I can add clothes in my washing machines. Okay, so first I'm gonna get 1 cup of my laundry. Here guys, here's my laundry soap, okay, and then I will put to my detergent here. Only 1 cup guys, that's the instructions. And then I will add the Downy, 1 cup of Downy. And the OxiClean, okay, I'm using OxiClean. I'll just put a little bit guys. And the last one, the laundry sanitizer. Let me close this one. 1 cup of laundry sanitizer, and I will put it here. Okay, and it's time to put the clothes. And then I will close the lid, and then I will turn this one, okay. And then I will use the normal, okay. And then this one, it will wash 1 hour and 9 minutes, okay. And then I press play, and there you go. And then it's the same process guys when I wash my clothes and also the underwear, okay. And then we'll just wait this one until it's done, and then when it's done I can transfer this to my dryer. All right, where's your ball, Coco? Find your ball. You like to lie down there, huh? Hi, Christmas. Hello. What are you eating? Huh? What are you eating? Coco, where's your ball? Guys, let me show you my peppers, okay. So my peppers is dead guys. This is what I planted from last year, Okay, but I'm not planning to plant this year because we are moving to the Philippines. Yeah, and here's a strawberry, guys. It's dead. I don't know. Do you think this is the strawberry right here? I'm not sure if that's the strawberry, but I know this one is dead right here, but I'm just gonna double check this one later. Yeah, and here's another pepper, guys. I know this one is dead already. And guys, I'm gonna throw some rice, guys, for the birds. Okay, because I have a lot of rice that I'm not cooking, so I'm gonna put in the ground so the bird has food to eat. Okay, okay guys, here's the rice that I'm not using for my cooking. Okay, so I have a little bit of leftover rice here, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna throw in the ground so the bird has to put to eat. Okay, here's the rice. Coco, now this is for the bird. That's for the bird, babe.
Through the fields of our past, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer.
Look at that, there's one in it.
We can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. And you are shades of gray, living day to day.
Yeah. Where's your ball? Come on, get the ball. Where's your ball, Coco? Okay, I'm just gonna fetch to my dog.
Even when we're free, it's true. The difference is the same. The colors always change, but the song is the same now. In June, lifting us higher. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear.
One more, guys.
Ooh, we can see so clear.
Hurry up.
We can see so
Are you tired? Are you tired? Not yet. Are you done? Are you done? Okay. He is done. He is done. Hey. Hey. Here's my Coco. He's a good boy. It's Christmas. You didn't get your ball, Coco. Get your ball. Come on. You ready now? Hang on, let me just look at these wildflowers. It's really pretty, guys. I love white flowers. It grows everywhere. Okay, it's really pretty. Alright, time to go inside. Let me show my Okay guys, so here's the scallions or the sibuyas dahon. Actually, he's so bad. Actually, the plant survived this last winter. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean this one, guys. Yeah, and my roses is dead. I'm just gonna clean this one until we left here, until we leave here. Yeah, because we're moving to the Philippines, but we don't know what might be going on soon, guys. So here is my scallions. Okay, Christmas, are you ready? Okay guys, so I think that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and if you do like it, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click that red bell notification so you will be updated if I upload a new one, guys. So thank you so much for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye. Let's go. You ready? Huh?